Hello everyone. I'm here to talk a little bit about my poster. I represent here a research team, which include the main author, Eduardo Monteiro from Hyundai, and our master student, Professor Rosa from Portugal, and myself, and of course, other student. The name is Marcelo from the Maxion. Maxion and Hyundai are represented in this paper. Well, when we have the Industry 4.0, the implementation, then we normally think about many technologies and unemployment. Well, have some areas that we need focus because we have robots, we have new electronic device, digital transformation, then we need a very good maintenance guys, maintenance workers. This paper study basically which competence, which things is important to develop these people to have better performance in the digital transformation moment. Then our methodology, the main project have two assessments. Here we talk about the big five, okay? And let me start talking a little bit about why Brazil is important for this research after we discuss a little bit about the results and the next steps. Well, Brazil is a big producer of vehicles nowadays. He is in the 8th position. We have all the brands. Normally they are more concentrated in the south of Brazil. Of course, there are some expansion of locates in the north and northeast, but the major part you can see, the main brands, Volkswagen, the Chinese, the French companies, Italian companies, the Stellantis, for example. Then we have where Brazil is very representative of this to study the automotive. And the automotive needs robots, are using robots, not need, but using robots and need best maintenance to support competitiveness, global competitiveness, I need to say. Then Brazil was selected to this study based on this premise. Okay, just to have example, in the last, we have a new government, now is around 1 year and a half, and we have 4 policies that support, pay attention about the automotive industry to have increase of productivity and employability. Then Brazil is a very interesting place to analyze Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0. What we have in our theoretical framework is normally the people pay attention about organizational and people who is working. We include the society here, then this is our main framework, which is related with the Sustainable Development Goals too. Well, to say here is our pilot. We have a cut in this presentation. Then we assess basically is extraversion, the way that the people expose their ideas, openness, how they are open to share the ideas, the worker maintenance share the ideas with their colleagues. We assess some openness to experience, also conscientiousness also. But because this is a prior study, our sample here is not so big. Then this study was very important to validate our protocol, to expand our sample that we are prepared now to publish. But this opportunity in the conference was very nice to understand the phenomena we present to you. Okay, then the protocol personality was applied and present satisfactory results. The people understand the questions, they reply good answers. We have one raw material to expand. We are more confident to expand the sample. At the moment, just to say the example, we have 120 from Hyundai and 200 respondents from Maxion Group. Then we are more confident to have more details in the analysis that we prepare for the paper. Well, both companies that are studied here have similar answers that show previously in this pilot showed that have some similarities between the companies for the maintenance workers, not just because if it is assembler vehicle or is a tier 1. Both have the same profile of answers, okay? Then we have here open to experience and conscientiousness and extraversion, the more impact constructs assessed, but the important is to expand the sample, analyze the big sample now and have the stronger results, more deeper discussion. Okay, then this is the paper or a summary in this poster about our research. I hope you enjoy, and any questions, please let me know.